This is the Gilgal Theological Seminary in southern India. Here's a scene from one of our classrooms. Pastor Robinson Valsalam is teaching. Here are some of our students. They come from all over India. Here are some scenes from our dormitories. As you can see, they are very overcrowded. Here is our school library. It's very small. This is the site of the future campus of the Gilgal Bible College in southern India. The first level of the building was constructed 7 years ago. The work remains in an incomplete condition because of lack of funds. We constantly receive requests from new believers in Jesus who want to be trained in missions outreach, but we don't have the space for them. Our vision is to accommodate 100 students for Bible training, students who want to go to the unreached areas here in India where the gospel has never been heard. We need the funds to finish this project. There are thousands of people perishing without ever hearing the gospel. At present, our students and staff are facing difficulties because there is not enough room in our facility. We are only able to accommodate and teach a few students. We have had to turn away so many. Yesterday, we prayed for the completion of the construction of the new building. We need your prayers and financial support. If you help us, we will share the good news of the building's progress and completion with you by email. Please contact us at the email address gilgalmissionindia@gmail.com. You can also visit our website, www.gilgaltheologicalseminary.org. Please contact President Robinson Valsalam at the Gilgal Theological Seminary, Kirathor, P.O. column code via Kanyakumari District, Tamil Nadu, India, PIN 629160. Our mobile number is 91-759-8527004.